Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Sunday, August 13th, 2023. It is 1:10:11 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, sugar. So let's jump to it here. Women who consume sugar, sweetened beverage daily, at higher risk of developing liver cancer and chronic liver disease. Approximately 65% of adults in the United States consume sugar-sweetened beverages daily. Date August 8, 2023. Source: Mass General Brigham. Chronic liver disease is a major cause of morbidity and mortality worldwide and can result in liver cancer and liver disease related to mortality. Researchers looked at the association between intake of sugar-sweetened beverages, artificially sweetened beverages, and incidence of liver cancer and chronic liver disease mortality. The findings, if confirmed, may pave the way to a public health strategy to reduce risk of liver disease based on data from a large and geographically diverse cohort. This observational study included nearly 100,000 postmenopausal women from the large Prospective Women's Health Initiative study. Participants reported their usual soft drink, fruit drink, not including fruit juice, consumption, and then reported artificially sweetened beverage consumption after 3 years. The participants were followed for a median of more than 20 years. Researchers looked at self-reported liver cancer, incidence, and death due to chronic liver disease, such as fibrosis, cirrhosis, or chronic hepatitis, which was further verified by medical records or the National Death Index. A total of 98,786 postmenopausal women were included in a final analysis. The 6.8% of women who consume one or more sugar-sweetened beverages daily had 85% higher risk of liver cancer and 68% higher risk of chronic liver disease mortality compared to those who had fewer than 3 sugar-sweetened beverages per month. The scientific investigators and microbiologists note that the study was observational and causality cannot be inferred and relied on self-reported responses about intake, sugar content, and outcomes. More studies are needed to validate the risk association and determine why the sugary drinks appeared to increase risk of liver cancer and disease. Furthermore, more research is needed to elucidate the potential mechanisms by integrating genetics, preclinical and experimental studies, and omics data. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.